Widziane Waszawijo, Sarajewo Dżennecka kafija, Banja Luka Dżennecka aflija. Sarajewo Dżennecka kafija, Banja Luka Dżennecka aflija. Moje Allahu, hvala tebi sada, cijela Bosna, na seždu ti pada. Moj Allahu, hvala tebi sada, cijela Bosna, na seždu ti pada. Kep se bralo na buni bi bilo, ubihaču podne bi učilo, u travniku Saba se klanjao, aj vas vodom abdest uzimao. U travniku Saba se klanjao, aj vas vodom abdest uzimao. Moj Allahu, hvala tebi sada, cijela Bosna, na seždu ti pada. Moj Allahu, hvala tebi sada. Se klao, u Zenici Mevlu proučio, u Vakufu Kurban bi se klao, u Zenici Mevlu proučio. Moj Allahu, hvala tebi sada, cijela Bosna, na seždu ti pada. Moj Allahu, hvala tebi sada, cijela Bosna, na seždu ti pada. U Goraždu jacija bi bila, sežda bi se u poči činila, Višegradom džennet nur bi sjao, a u stocu Allah veličao. Višegradom džennet nur bi sjao, a u stocu Allah veličao. Moj Allahu, hvala tebi sada, cijela Bosna, na seždu ti pada. Moj Allahu, hvala tebi sada, cijela Bosna, na seždu ti pada. Cijela Bosna, na seždu ti pada.
On behalf of the Bosnian Islamic Community Center of Hamilton, we really want to thank her for all her hard work and assistance in the few times that we really needed it to move the application process along. So thank you.
There we go. How's that? I should be used to this. Good afternoon, everyone. First, want to say that it's been an absolute pleasure just sitting here watching. The singer's fabulous, and seeing all of you here. I have to tell you, seeing the smiles, and I've seen a few tears. I know there's a lot of emotion in this room today, and I'm sure, hang on to your dreams, because you'll come to fruition. Good afternoon, Imam Ishmael, and your guests, President Ned, and honored guests and members of all of your congregation here today. It gives me great pleasure to be here to celebrate this very big step in achieving your long-standing vision of a mosque to serve the area Muslim community. I know you've been working hard on this since 2007, and as far as getting the existing property zoned appropriate, you have worked very hard over several years to arrive at a design and size of the facility, you can see here, that can meet your needs for many years to come. And I know you've even purchased more property to make this dream possible and to enhance the vision you have. As we stand here today to turn the shovel in recognition of your building, we should recognize the hard work of all of your members who stood strong and fast to this dream and assist in many ways to make this a reality. It is no small feat to take on such a monumental endeavor as purchasing property, pursuing plans and approvals from the city, I know that firsthand, and seeing the beginning of bricks and mortar installation. But your attendance today and vision show the strength and perseverance of your religious and community beliefs. I stand here today and extend my ongoing commitment to assist you in fulfilling your dream and look forward to seeing the fruit of your vision. Congratulations.
Thank you again, Councillor Maria Person, for all your help. And now if we also have in attendance here the Honourable MP for Hamilton Centre, David Christopherson. And we would be honoured if you would address the congregation as well, if you wish to do so.
Assalamu alaikum. Imams. I'm from the labor movement, and I'm used to big union halls where people are not very happy, and I have to talk over. So I'm very comfortable speaking in this way. Listen, let me just say how honored I am to be here with all of you today. The leadership of the Bosnian Hamilton community, the honored guests, Councillor Pearson, ladies and gentlemen, and fellow Hamiltonians. What a great day. What a great day for your community specifically, but what a great day for our collective community. You might actually wonder why somebody who represents people downtown is all the way out here celebrating an event, and it's for two reasons. One, if there's even one family that's part of this mosque and they live in my riding, this is where I should be. And because this is an important investment in our long-term peaceful community, it's important for me to be here. So you know we are all so very proud. I've been around a very long time and my gray hair proves it. And I know how difficult it is to organize these kinds of things and all the little internal battles that happen. And the really scary news is it's just beginning. As you start building the building, it's going to get even worse. And there's going to be more days when you're going to think this is never going to happen. But you will succeed. You will be cutting the ribbon on a brand new Bosnian Islamic Center of Hamilton. And we will all be proud of that day. I also just wanted to say how important this is in the context of our broader city, Hamilton, our province of Ontario, our country of Canada. We are not perfect. Far, far from it. I wish I could stand here in front of all of you and say that your children will not face racism. I want to say that, but I know that it's not yet true. And it hurts. It hurts to think that there are young, innocent children who are going to feel the sting and the pain of hate. But that's all the more reason for the rest of us to come together and stand together in unity and say that is a very small part of this great country. The vast majority of Canadians respect and love one another and want a peaceful country that we can be proud of. And that's why today is an important day, because it adds to that building block of building that country that we want for our children, for our grandchildren, and ultimately we want for the whole world. One little boy came up to the microphone. He said, "I love Canada because nobody drops bombs on me." And I thought, all the more reason we need to make sure that the dream and the ideal of Canada and the ideal that we can all live together in peace. Islam is a peaceful faith, and only today you're helping us as a nation down to its little piece, our little community. Just us here in Hamilton, today in Stony Creek. But today you are helping us. All of us here as Canadians, whether your family has been here for 100 years or 2 weeks, we are Canadians, we are proud, and today you give us one more reason to be proud to be here in this peaceful country. Closing, let me say how honored I have been to be here with you today to share in this peaceful, positive step for your community, the Bosnian Hamilton Islamic community, but also for the rest of the community. And we all rejoice. And I want you to know that all of Hamilton is wishing you all the best, and that on that great day, when that ribbon is cut, Canada will have taken one more small, important step to create that peaceful country, that peaceful world, that every one of us, no matter what our faith, our color, no matter our differences, the only thing we are all 100% agreed on is everything is about our children and our grandchildren and their best interest. And that's why this new center is going to make their life better. And when our children's lives are better, all of our lives are better. Congratulations.